Today I'll be fixing this little amazing kitchen knife. For me it's an amazing piece of art, so let's fix it. So the holes don't line up, so I'm gonna cut the wood out again and then make the holes on these. So let's assemble it. First I'll use the brake and parts cleaner, and then I'll use epoxy. So as you can see, the handles are on. We just need now to wait when it hardens. The epoxy hardens, so now it's time to shape it. So it is done. I'm pretty pleased with it. It's not a perfect job, but thanks to this, the knife can be used again and people can be again happy from using it. I've used this knife since I was a little kid. It's from a knife maker that is no longer alive, almost doesn't dull, because it's so thin that there is not much that can dull. It has a very small handle. You can hold it very well in your hand and work on various tasks in the kitchen. Enjoy it all and share the enjoyment.